Star of the Glass. Yes, pinasahan ng kalaban. Basket. Basket number 18. And here you go for two. Lays up number 13 and good for two. Number 28. Oh, pinapitin lays up. Oh, what a move. Oh, so palpal. Oh, so palpal si Idol. Hello mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Prisaa Regional Meet 2024 High School Basketball para sa laban ng Santiago at Isabela. Championship na itong mga idol, yung mananalo dito pupunta sa Naga. And here you go, team.
Number 27 to number 17.
Long pass.
To number 28.
Pass.
To number 27. Number 13. Pass to 17.
Na. Aliw pass and the finish.
Pass will play to number 14. To number 11.
It's out, long straight. No good.
Number 17. To number 27. Number 87, umatake.
Oh, so palpal si Idol.
Viva by Sigua.
Sigua. From Team Santiago in the floater in the finish.
Number 1.
And his Team Isabela. Launch three. No good. And the rebound for Team Isabela.
Number 17. Nice steal.
Ochoa on the corner. Aliu inside and that's good for two. And his Team Isabela, number 28. Long pass. And his number 24 crosses pass there. And the foul. And it's number 14, attacking the rim.
Ochoa, good for two.
Ay, Ochoa. Attacking floater shot, no good. Rebound, back shot. And that's for two. And it's number 14, Valdez. Valdez minutes beat, lays up. And the basket and the foul. And here's Team Isabela. Aliu pass and the off the glass and the finish. And here's number 7, pass to number 5. Number 13, no dribble play. And the finish by number 31. And here's Valdez for Team Santiago. Valdez attacking the rim, lays up, kinaliwa, no good. Tip in, and still a no good. And almost stolen there. And here's number 7 for Team Isabela. Aliu pass and fires, no good. And a pass break na yon. And 3 versus 2. Tuloy-tuloy. And the basket and 1. 16, 18. Natapikan. 3 versus 1 ang laban. Diniretso pa rin. Lays up and 1 for 2. And for the inbound, number 18 looking for receiver. 2 strong pass yun. And here's the pass break. 2 and 1. Oh, lays up. Harapan si Idol. And it's number 18. Pass to number 7. Launch a 3. No good. Battle for rebound. Put back shot. And the finish by number 20. And still the rebound. At makukuha dito ng Team Isabela. Number 7. Oh! Putatang. And it's number 16. For Team Santiago. Bounce pass inside. Extra rush. Tamid! Na kumantyaw silang lahat. Strong move by number 18. Pinasahan ang wala. Nakuha na niya. Tatlong nauna. Si Nolo nag-drive. Lays up. And the flight mode. And here you go for Team Isabela. Lays up number 13. And good for 2. And it's number... And number 10, launch a 3. No good. Rebound number 26. Pass inside. Kaldag. Floater shot and the bounce on the glass. Yes, sir. And naagawan ulit. Number 10, Bumanga tumira. Back-to-back 2 points for Team Santiago. Number 17, holding the ball. Number 18, pass inside. Floor shot of the glass. Bumawi. Abad, stop on the corner. Drive. Lays up and good for 2. Number 17 stops and looking for receiver. Pass to number 25, number 27, spin move. Pass inside, number 13. Setting the play, stop, launch a 3. Bang! 3 points! And the baseball pass, lays up, binawian agad. And here's Team Santiago. Fakes, stops, pull up Jays. And no good. Number 28. Oh, pinapitin, lays up. Oh, what a move. Rebound. Oh, putback shot of the glass. At tinapos ni Idol yan. Number 12. Stop, launch a 3. No good. Rebound. Number 12 to number 16. Bounce pass inside. Fire, no good.
Number 18. Okay, thank you, Sir Arsen, for the battery. And now we still have 5 minutes, 33 seconds remaining for the second quarter. And the score is 45 to 21.
Drive, pass inside of the glass. Basket is good.
23.
Number 16. Pass back. On the corner. Launch a triple. Bam! Rebound! Nakagawan. And it's number 16. Kicks out again. Semi-spot. And result! 3 points. Back to back.
Ulang ng 3 points. Ito number 18.
Number 13. Kicks out. Number 7. Babawi. No good. Rebound. Wala pa rin. And here we go. Team Santiago. Bounce pass. Lays up. Oh! Pasok na naman. And it's number 13. Fires. Basket is good. Cross pass. Corner. Fakes. Attack. Other shot. No good. Put back. Follow-up shot. Here's Pico. Pass number 13. Lays up. Basket is good. Number 28. Natapikan. Nakuha ni number 16. Pass there inside. Lays up. Off the glass. Uy, may bumagsak dun. Number 13. Pass inside there. Oop. Nakalusot si Idol. Off the glass. Yes, sir. Number 16. Takes. Attack. Pinabitin. No good. Rebound number 12. Ikot. Bumangga tumira. Pasok yan. Number 22. Natapikan. Pass break ngayon. Number 16. Reza Binsi. Basket. Number 22.
Ang Team Santiago City po ay bronze medalist sa
28. Launch a 3.
2024.
No good. Baseball pass. And here we go again. Pass break. Easy basket again. Back to back. 2 points for Team Santiago. Nakagaw na naman. Oh! 6-0 ang nangyari doon. And number 28 on the inbound to number 22.
Isa lang.
On the corner. Launch a 3. No good. Rebound. Baseball pass. At nauna, number 16, Leizap. Basket and 1.
Number 8.
And here's number 3.
Here's
Pass to
back
the
to
middle.
number 25 fakes. Fire.
Back shot of the glass. Yes, sir. Naagawan.
Number 18, Christian Go.
Number 3, side step, fire off the window. Money.
By number 18, Isabella.
Mid shot. Bumawi. Pinasa. Tinira.
59 ang score.
And it's number 3.
Ipinasa sa bandang kaliwa. Sumalaksak.
Lays up of the glass. Yes, sir.
79.
And it's number 13 to number 28. Launch a 3. Too strong.
Number
Number 7. Natapigan. Pass break.
Intercepted na naman.
Behind the back dribble. Off the glass. And that's good for Luke. Number 3. Di diskarte dito. Pass inside. Oop, naagawan. And here's it behind the back pass. Number 7. Kicks out. Number 28. Corner shot. And the friend reroll. Number 28. Number 20. Out there. Number 20 is good. David.
Number 3 now. Looking for Silver. Rocky.
David attack.
And Trey.
Pinaliwa pa. Put back shot. Direct. Pass to number 18.
Ito ngayon.
Wow! Grabe! Favorite move. And Miss Vidal. Stops in the middle. Pull up J, yes sir. Attacks, gusto tinalo sa loob. Wala. Tupal-pal si Idol. Number 18. Oop, naagawan. And a pass break. Number 26. Launch a 3. Short. Rebound at the middle. Ooh! Lays up. Ooh! Mabay sa Idol.
Lapada.
Naagaw and lays up. Easy basket again. Number 17. Naagaw. Spins. Oh, pinasa pa oh. And for the inbound, looking for receiver. Number 18 there. Launch long to bang. Bullseye. Lays up. Face to face. Lays up. Lumaldag up. Pinasahan ng kalaban. Si basket. Sibwa.
Number 13.
Pinasa. Libreng-libre. For the inbound. Up na tapikan na naman. Easy basket.
Number 12. Number 7.
Floater shot off the glass. Yes, sir. Number 20. Kicks out. Corner. Pinagitna yung bola. Pass oop. Naagawan si Idol. Pass break ngayon. Oh, lalon si Idol. And DC basket. And number 6. Attacks number 7. Far off the glass. Yes, sir. Purdue. Pass back, number 12 to number 28. Pass inside, floater shot, no good. Battle for rebound, put back shot. And here's number 6. And attacks, far off the glass. Pasok yan. Pass sa triple. No good. Pass break. Lays up. No good. Wala pa rin. Bagsak sila. Warner breaks. 12. Bounce pass.
Yes,
tumira.
Double team na Santiago.
Pass inside, libre.
Score 5 minutes,
Kaldag,
41
takes,
seconds.
attacks, lays up, good for 2. Number 24, bounce pass inside the reverse layup, good, basket is good. Pass inside, Sigua, spins, fire, basket is good. Sigua. Pass and fire off the glass, yes sir.
Nasa dito.
Attack. Ang gandang pass.
23. Ang kanan.
22. Na, libre na. Pinasa. Nice. Finish. Lays up, basket is good. Butata! Number 20 floater of the glass, yes sir. Floater of the glass. Floater of the glass. 4. So palpal! Butata, tapal, Bulkasil. Pasok yan. Bumawi. And congratulations, Team Santiago. Champion. Going to Naga City.